Good morning, I'm Ben Spry, Optimisation Desk Manager here at Npower, and welcome to this morning's market report. Okay, we'll start with the headlines then. We've had weather forecasts, so temperatures forecast to be a lot lower going through the rest of January and into February. That's just pushing prices up this morning. On the gas side, we've got some of that Norwegian outages returning to service, giving the system a little bit of length. And then thirdly, Brent oil continues to be pressured down towards the $45 a barrel level. If you do want more information, then please continue to watch. If not, we'll see you tomorrow. And remember, you can contact us on the email address provided. Okay, let's have a look at the detail then. So as mentioned, we've had revised temperature forecasts showing that it's going to be a little bit cooler for the rest of January going into February, and quite understandably that's lifted kind of short-term gas and power prices and just feeding into the front months as well. So February 15, both on the gas and power, slightly higher this morning. If you look at the gas system, however, we have started with a little bit of length, so around about 9 MCM long this morning, and that's just helping cap those gains. If you remember, over the last couple of weeks, any kind of real strength we've seen in the morning, the market struggled to hold on to those gains throughout the day. So just keep an eye on that as we track through the day to day. Given the strength of the prompt in the near term, wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of storage sites selling into the strength, and the same with LNG. So in terms of system-wise, we should be relatively comfortable. As mentioned, some of those Norwegian outages that we saw yesterday again returning to service today, so almost at kind of full production. Probably around about 10 MCM off full production, so again that gives us a little bit of comfort. But those kind of weather forecasts really driving prices a little bit higher first thing today. In terms of power production, well, we've already mentioned that those power prices are following gas up. However, power production relatively comfortable, so less need for gas power production today as a result of quite high wind generation, so peaking at around about 6 gigawatts on the wind, so really quite comfortable on the power. That wind is set to lessen as we go throughout the week, so just keep an eye on those levels there. But as I mentioned, strength in the gas and power markets this morning just caused by those slightly cooler temperature forecasts. If we move out onto the curve, little trading so far today. However, trades that have gone through have been above last night's close again, probably driven by that strength on the front end. Because if you look at the kind of wider commodity complex, certainly oil again continues to be bearish. News that US stockpiles could continue to gain, and again it just exacerbates the supply glut we've got globally at the moment. So we've seen WTI, so the American oil price, dip below $45 a barrel, and the Brent oil travelling below 46 now towards that $45 a barrel, so very weak indeed in terms of oil. Okay, that's it for today. If you do have any questions, obviously please do contact us on the email address provided. Otherwise, we'll see you again this time tomorrow. Thanks, goodbye.